Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today I want to show you how to make this cute doll beaded necklace for an American Girl doll or 18-inch doll. This crocheted necklace is so easy that it is a great way to teach a child how to crochet. Continue watching this video to learn how to make the necklace. And we also have a photo tutorial with step-by-step instructions on our website. What you need to make the doll beaded necklace, as you can see I made one here and it fastens with a little bead like that, is yarn, pony beads, a size J10 crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a scissor. Insert the yarn into the needle eye. An easy way to do that is to use a piece of paper and just put the yarn inside the paper and then insert it into the eye of the needle. Now string 12 beads onto the yarn. 1, 2, 3, now I don't care what color I'm using, I just string them, or you can use whatever color. If you have a combination that you'd like to use, you can do that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remove the needle from the yarn, and you need to make a slip knot. To do that, just lay the yarn on the table with the working yarn, this is called the working yarn, over the top. Insert your finger through the loop and pull up the working yarn. And you will see if you move the working yarn, the knot will slip like that. For this project, you will be using a few stitches: the chain stitch, the single crochet, the slip stitch, and the beaded single crochet, and you can find tutorials for these stitches in the description below. The first thing now is put your hook onto the slip knot, and you're going to be chaining 40 stitches. To chain, all you do is put the yarn over and draw it through. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 39, 40. Now on this end of the necklace, we're going to make a little loop to insert the bead. And to do this, we're going to count 4 chains from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to do a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, and pull it through both loops. This is going to form a little loop at the end right here. Now let's start the pattern. The pattern is 2 single crochets and then 1 beaded single crochet. Okay, to do that, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull it through. You now have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull it through. That's the first single crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn into the chain, pull it, and there. That's the second. Now we're going to do a beaded single crochet. To do that, again, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, and draw it through. You have 2 loops on your hook, push the bead up close to the hook, then yarn over and pull it through both loops, and you can see you now have a bead. Now to put beads onto a project, the beads are always put on by inserting them on the wrong side of the project. Okay, now 2 single crochets. 1, 2. And now we're going to insert another bead. Okay. Hook goes through the chain, yarn over, draw it through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Push the bead up close to the hook. Yarn over and draw it through both loops. Now continue doing this to the end of the row. So you would be doing 2 single crochets and 1 beaded crochet to the end of the row. Okay, I've finished putting on all the beads, and what you have now, you have this loop at the end. Cut your yarn and insert the tail of the yarn into the loop to finish off your project. Now this bead here is going to be used to hook the necklace together in the little loop that we formed at the other end. But before we do that, we're going to weave these ends into the necklace with your yarn needle. Insert the end of the yarn into the eye of the needle, and then just take the yarn and just weave it into the end of the necklace, in and out, just a little ways like that. Pull it through and then cut the yarn. Now do the same thing on the other side. And the doll necklace is finished for your American Girl doll. I really hope you enjoyed this video and make lots of different colored necklaces for your American Girl doll or 18-inch doll. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. Do you want more doll crafting projects? We have lots of tutorials at our website, needlepointers.com.